Good news. I have a free mask for you. My name is Dr. Visentin. Next time I see you, I have a free mask, but it'll do you no good unless you know how to wear it correctly. Before you even touch the mask, you want to make sure your hands are clean and wash them with hot, soapy water or an alcohol-based cleanser. Make sure that the mask fits correctly. It should cover the nose and the mouth, obviously. Avoid touching the mask once you've placed it on. And if it becomes damp, replace it. Do not reuse a single-use mask. When you finally take it off, handle it from behind and wash your hands once again with hot, soapy water or an alcohol-based cleanser. I have just a few left for my patients. We're open Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10 till 12, 2 to 6. If you like these videos, click like, share if you care, subscribe, and I'll be back with something powerful and positive for you and yours.